Hello everyone, I greet in the name of God Almighty. My name is Apostle Silas, and today we have a very interesting video to react to. And this one says that the beautiful Quran by children in Nigeria, Africa. Okay, I believe that this Quranic recitation is going to be a very interesting one. So if today happens to be the first time of you checking out my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Facebook and Instagram. And if you have any video you want me to react to, don't forget to drop it at the comment section and I'm going to check it out. Guys, before we get on to the video, I'm a theologian and I make this video not to discredit anyone's religion. This is basically for educational purposes, and I believe that at the end of this video we all are going to learn from this. So let's get on to this video and check this out. Wow.
الذين يجتنبون كبائر الإثم والفواحش الذين يجتنبون كبائر الإثم والفواحش إلا اللمم إن ربك واسع المغفرة هو أعلم بكم إذ أنشأكم من الأرض وإذ أنتم أجنة في بطون أمهاتكم.
This is very beautiful recitation, watching these children reciting the Quran, you understand, together. You could see that sense of joy and happiness, you understand, in their faces as they recite the Quran. And one beautiful thing, you understand, about this is they don't just recite this Quran because they want to just recite it, in a sense, for fun, but then they are doing it, in a sense, to the glory of God. And it means that their parents have put a lot of effort, in a sense, and time, you understand, and to teach, in a sense, the children to this point before you hear them, you understand, doing this very recitation. It not that they just wake up and then you see them, you understand, doing this recitation. It's something that they have keep on, you understand, practicing. It means that their parents, their guardians are doing absolutely very well. They are doing what they are supposed to do, because the best thing that you can do or give to their children, to your children, is the gift of God. When you're able to draw them, you understand, closer to God, that's it. It fixes a lot of problems. Why did I say it fixes a lot of problems? Because you not see them or find themselves, you understand, doing things that they are not supposed to do. You could see how societies, you understand, is being mined by several different kind of things, you understand, creating a lot of nuisance, you understand, in society, right? But if you're able to like raise them while they are young, you have actually helped yourself by fixing a lot for yourself. And that's why we need to, there's a need as a guidance for us to try our best, raise our children in the way of the Lord, so that when they grow, it not depart from them. Let's keep teaching our children, right? As a Christian, teach them things, you understand, in the Bible. Teach them what the Bible is all about. Teach them, you understand, about love. Teach them, you understand, about respect for other religion, because some people or some of us might grow maybe because we may not really have this knowledge about, in a sense, other religion. And that's why when we grew up and then we found Islam to be as if it's a religion of violence, terror and all that. Why? Maybe because of how we grew, but not, thank God for education that was able to reveal to us what Islam is really about. So that kind of tends to give us a different perception about Islam. Else otherwise, imagine that this education is not there. How are we going to know about it? Maybe at some point, just like the way I was young, I was thinking that Prophet Muhammad is actually a god in Islam. You see, but with education I was able to understand that, look, it's just a prophet, just like any other prophet that is actually mentioned, you understand, in the time past. Just that whatever he was doing, he was not doing on its own, but he was doing according to how God told him, you understand, to do. A very beautiful and interested recitation by these children, and I so much love it. And I want some of you, of course, to drop your thought and opinion, you understand, at the comment section concerning these children, you understand, making this recitation in Nigeria. I believe that you all love this. One beautiful thing about Islam is either they're in Nigeria or Saudi Arabia or in UK, America, or wherever they find themselves, is still the same recitation. And I believe that we all really like this. So this is the end of my video. If you like my reaction, you should like, share and subscribe. And if you have any video you want me to react to, don't forget to drop it at the comment section and I'm going to check it out. So guys, you remain blessed and I see you in my next video. Bye bye.